Hello and welcome to my Dataunity YouTube channel. I'm Arthur and my mission is to spread the data mindedness in the German-speaking countries. But today I will make my first English-speaking video on this channel because I highly appreciate the feedback to my LinkedIn post. As you can see here, I made a post as a follow-up to a meetup with Marco Russo, and it was very good, appreciated from you, so I decided to make this video in English too. Yeah, it will be about the cards and why you should use a matrix instead of cards, as I say in my post. Because here I have 5 cards prepared. It's the standard card visual that you have in Power BI. Why this is a problem? This is a problem because if you track the performance, refresh all the visuals, you see every card is separated, refreshed, and yeah, if you have lots of data, not as I have, just a few data, then it will be a real problem for the performance. So it's better to use one visual instead of 5 visuals. And one possibility is to use the card with states from Marco Russo himself. It's a great custom visual. You can get a free license of it. But today I will show it with the matrix because sometimes you have reasons to use standard visuals and not custom visuals. And therefore I just include a matrix in this visualization and will reproduce the look of the visuals here inside the matrix. Here I have my sum, and of course I need the country as a dimension here. I will use it as a column and I will sort it by the sum of it. So now it also starts with Germany, Italy, India. Yeah, this is still in German. Apologize this. So and now I can format it to look it like the cards above. So you can do all the formatting you can do in a card, you can also do in a matrix. And this is something really great. So and then we have to do it for the column headers as well, of course. And it should be centered, and you should also center the values, of course. This you will find in the individual formatting. Now it still not looks like the cards. As you see, everything is connected, but you can fix it too in a grid. You can just activate vertical grid, make it white and make it thick. 100 is the maximum actually. You can use this. You cannot really get rid of the horizontal grid because it can't be smaller than 1. I don't found any other way. I can make it blue, but this starting grid between the column header and the value, you cannot get rid of this, because if I have it blue, I will always see like the connection here. So I prefer to make it to white, so you have like a some line inside, but it doesn't disturb me personally. So for me everything is fine. And then we still need to arrange the size of them, because this I don't have found a way to make it automatically, but you have to do it with the cards as well, so it's not a real disadvantage. And here course you have the line wrap. So now it looks almost the same, and now you can just go here and use the top N filter to get rid of the rest of it. I want to have the top 5 by the same measure I'm actually using, and of course I have to deactivate the column sum. Now the only thing I don't have find how to get rid of the blue here, but I just can fix it by placing a white text field over it, so it's no problem and it's still better. Yes, and now I will show the proof that this is really better in terms of performance. When I activate the analysis again and start it and refresh, we can see that the matrix is hardly slower than one of the tiles, and yeah, you have 5 of them, so it's much faster actually, and that's why you should use the matrix and not the separate cards. Yeah, I hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions, just contact me via LinkedIn, or you can also contact me on YouTube here. Yeah, thanks for your attention and maybe see you again.